Hello and welcome back to Obscure Jewels, where I am your host, as well as your narrator, Crayola Coaster. And today we'll be reading from Big Bird's Sweet Smoothies, a scratch and smell book by Sesame Street Workshop and Kappa Books Publishers. So as always, if you have a copy, please grab your copy. Let's read together. Welcome to Big Bird's Sweet Smoothies. Big Bird called to his friends. Come and get 'em. What can I get you, Elmo? Asked Big Bird. Elmo loves peach smoothies. They're peachy keen. Elmo giggled. Tee-hee. How about you, Zoe? Big Bird asked. I'd like a pineapple honey smoothie, please, she answered. I want one wonderful grape smoothie with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 big grapes, counted the count. Oscar wants something that isn't on the menu at all.
Excuse me?
Gimme a smelly soft smoothie, he grumbled. Me want yummy banana smoothie, added Cookie Monster. Coming up behind him, Big Bird laughed. I'll make a banana smoothie for you too, Oscar, and you can keep the pill. Gee, said Big Bird to Radar. Smoothies give everyone so much energy. What's that, Radar? I should have one too, said Big Bird. Good idea. Strawberry's my favorite. The end. And that was Big Bird's Sweet Smoothies by Sesame Street Workshop and Kappa Books Publishing, a scratch and smell book. So, as always, thank you all for tuning in, and until next time, always and forever, keep reading. Thank you. Bye.